Hello singers, I'm Kenny Moses, and in today's daily video, I'm going to guide you through a simple and effective morning vocal warm-up designed especially for beginner singers. These gentle exercises will wake up your voice, release tension, and set you up to sing freely throughout the day, even if you only have 10 minutes. So let's get started. Let's begin with a gentle body activation. This is going to help awaken our body and release any physical tension we might be holding on to from the night before. Begin by just sitting up nice and tall or standing. Roll your shoulders up and back 3 to 4 times. Remember to breathe deep, relaxed breaths. Next, just bring your chin into your chest. And then look up towards the ceiling. Do that a couple of times gently. Be sure that you're breathing. From there, let's bring our ear to our shoulder. So take your ear and gently bring it to your shoulder, feeling the opposite shoulder releasing down. You should feel a nice stretch along here. And then slowly come back through neutral and to the other side. Back up. And let's repeat one more time. And last but not least, let's open up wide. Let's get our jaw open. Let's just relax all the facial muscles, open wide, and squeeze really tight. And again, open wide, and squeeze really tight. And relax. Our next exercise is the lip trill, or the exercise. This exercise is going to help activate your mouth, your tongue, your lips, and help build resonance and strengthen your breath support. So let's give it a try. We're going to keep it really simple, and we're just trying to get the air moving in our body, really feeling your diaphragm expanding as you breathe in and moving the air forward as you go into your lip trill. So let's do that. 4 counts in, we'll breathe in for 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. We're not looking for any particular type of range and pitch. We're just letting the air flow. Let's give it a try. Breathe in for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Just like that. Very good. Let's do that a couple more times. Remember to really expand in our body, in our diaphragm, and our side body as we inhale and direct that air forward. Let's do it again. Breathe in for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Nice. One more time. You've got this. Breathe in for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Nicely done. Now let's create some resonance. Okay, we're going to be opening up our throat and feeling more resonance in the front of the head right here. So how do we do that? We're going to start with the hum. Now our hum, we want to remember that our tongue is nice and relaxed, but the tip of our tongue sits in the back of our top teeth. So nice and relaxed, but also nice and open in the back of the throat. So taking a deep diaphragmatic breath, we're just going to have a nice straight hum like this. Light and easy. One more. And keep going until you feel even more openness, but never to a point where you feel that you're tightening up in your throat. Last but not least, in our morning routine is the vocal siren. Now, the vocal siren, depending on what vowel you choose, is going to help really open up your voice, open up the back of the throat, relax your larynx, relax the tongue, and really get that air flowing and get your diaphragm working for you. So we're going to do it on an oo today. And when you do your sirens, it does not need to be on any particular pitch. I like to start low and go high, and then go high and low again. Something like this. Take a deep breath in. Ooh. Doing that a couple of times, really let your air work for you. And then working from top to bottom. Ooh. Just like that. Now you can use any vowel that feels open to you. You can do it on an ah. I like to use za. Za is a great consonant and vowel combination that helps open up the back of the throat, help really expand your diaphragm, and just allows the voice to feel nice and warm. And that's it. Your quick and powerful morning vocal warm-up. Doing this daily will help you build vocal consistency, flexibility, and confidence.